Kenya Aviation Workers Union represents, or rather has a constituency of about 85% at Kenya Airways. So we have a big constituency. And in view of what is happening at KQ today, of course, we join the rest of the country in apologizing to the inconvenienced passengers. I see the situation here is really sad. But as a union, we hope and plead for an amicable solution between Kenya Airways and KALPA. We are appealing to both parties that the decision, or rather the resolution of this problem, is between the parties. And we appeal to the government to intervene and facilitate engagement so that, if possible, this strike should be called off as soon as today. But having said that, I need to correct something. Among the grievances that KALPA has fronted, one is the demand for the resignation of the CEO, Alan Kilavuka, the resignation of the Chief People Officer, or rather the Director Human Resources, Tom Shivo, and the Head of Employee Relations, Madam Grace Wamiti. As I have mentioned, these roles do not only impact KALPA fraternity, they impact the entire organization, the entire airline. And I want to take the country back to 2017, when the then CEO, Mbuvi Ngunze, was forced out in a similar way. There was a strike, and the demand was Mbuvi Ngunze, and I think the HR director then, Alban Mwenda, and other senior managers were to resign. And indeed they resigned. What followed thereafter was that we got a rogue CEO in the name of Sebastian Mikoz. For the period 2018 and 2019, industrial relations at KQ went to the south. They broke completely because we got someone who had no idea how to run an airline. So that is where our anxiety as Kenya Aviation Workers Union is based. We are not ready for a repeat of the 2016-2017 scenario where a CEO is forced out, then we get someone who is so rogue, someone who does not understand what he's supposed to do. Kenya Aviation Workers Union would like to state this, that we have as much stake in who becomes the CEO of Kenya Airways as KALPA has, or maybe any other section of the employees.